Something's tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within, 'cause Christmas time is here.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is 23rd of December, which is the day before Christmas Eve, and there's nothing special happening today. Just wanna make a vlog. I'm going out to the city, gonna have a lunch in the city. We're gonna have a look what's happening in the city before Christmas Eve, and probably we're gonna do some little shopping. Come along with us. So it's actually midday already, which is after 12. I haven't had anything, so of course I'm gonna have Haribo for breakfast. Haribo's in my blood. Outfit of today, nothing special, but dog and dog. I really like this little fluffy dog slippers. It's really cute. I brought it from China and it's really fluffy and very warm, and I think it's perfect for winter. The weather in Germany is just very unpredictable. Last minute it was sunny, now it's raining, but I can still see the sun. It's crazy. You would never know what's gonna happen next second. Guys, we're at the station now and it's becoming windy and raining a lot. We're getting tickets for the train. It's gonna cost us €5 to the city and back, so it's not too bad. How do you spot a German in a rainy day?
Very easy. They never have an umbrella with them.
Why?
Only people out of sugar are scared of water.
Okay, it's me. There's singing. Always beef?
Yes.
Summer rolls, my favorite. This is like a fried rice noodle with shrimp. Yeah, that's all we got for the feast. I like it. I'm glad I ordered this. Try some summer roll. It's sticking together. Can't even separate them. Or not. Lush, here we come. Here is their spray collections. I think this is the one we tried last time. It's called Dirty and it's the best. Guys, should we try it? I saw this recommended on Red Note. Turns out it's the best smelling body spray of them all. So without hesitation, we took it home. Here's a Harry Potter figures. This is so cool. Look at the spider. Yeah. I like Hermione. So we're at the Chinese market to get some ingredients for hot pot we're gonna make. These are some mushrooms we need for our hot pot. Bean sprouts. We tried this tofu this time. Sky is pretty today, pinky sky. 嘿大家，今天是 Christmas Eve， 然后现在是下午3点，快到4点了。我刚刚在 getting ready， 然后我很喜欢这个新的嫁接猫，它是那种狐狸系的，就是这样的，然后它是免胶的，不用胶水的，我真的好喜欢，从中国带过来的。心愿先生呢，我很喜欢这个，但是它有点小贵。所以我只会在这种特殊节日情况下才会使用。然后呢，还有一个我很喜欢的，很适合冬天戴的耳环，它是这样的一个雪花，然后这种雪花中间还可以动，这里就像一个就毛茸茸的，像一个小雪球一样戴在耳朵后面，感觉很可爱，然后很有节日的那种氛围。这样真的很可爱，有没有？ 而且还显脸小，我感觉好喜欢。然后待会5点钟的话，我们全家人会一起吃一个德式的一个圣诞晚餐吧。之前也没吃过德国的圣诞晚餐是怎样，我之前只有在英国吃过，还比较期待是什么样子的。我很喜欢这一支口红，因为它的颜色真的很涂出来很自然，就是也很显气色。这个是我的小姑姑从日本带给我的礼物，好像是526号迪奥的一支口红，我很喜欢。已经有点迫不及待了，给大家看看我化完妆后桌子上的残局。其实还有比这更乱的，可是我刚刚收拾了一下，就把东西都收到里面了。圣诞日历应该是就从今天开始就结束了，然后拆到了22号，看看22号的是什么。今天已经是24号了，因为这几天都有忘记拆了。22号是一包可乐软糖，是酸的那种可乐软糖。23号也是一个这样的糖，之前也有拿到一个绿色的，但我不知道什么味道，还没有尝过。最后一个就是24号，也就是今天的是，天哪，我又拿到了一个银币，这是今天的最后一个礼物了。Hi Clover.
Hello.
When do we open gifts?
Gonna be around 5.
Why are they not here yet? They said they're gonna come at 3.
As usual, you know, like my brother, he always comes when there's food, right? Not before, an hour before, not an hour later, just right on time when food is ready.
Yeah. Dinner table is already set and it's really pretty decorated. How do you call this in German? Tannenzapfen. So pretty. Today is the forest theme, so we are sitting in a forest.
Frohes Fest und jetzt haut rein, oder euch ein und jetzt haut rein. Ja, extra noch von Medica geholt gestern.
Now it's gift opening
Ja, so ein
time.
artiger Junge kriegt auch viele Geschenke, ne? Warte. Noch Jo? Ja, der Code steht hinten drauf. Wow! Was ist das denn?
Each of us in the family gets a goodie bag and has what's inside mine. A lovely Christmas card, some delicious chocolates, and a little guardian angel. And I also got a few cute decorations. Such a thoughtful gift, and I really like it. That's true.
Guckst du mich so an?
It's definitely the prettiest packaged gift I've ever received. I can't wait to look what's inside. And I have no idea how to open it. And I also get like candy here.
Und da steckst du die Kugel rein.
Wow, you gotta go.
Decoration.
What is this? Bright LED light mirror. You need this. Wow, thank you. From
Vorsicht, dein.
My parents.
Dankeschön.
Was?
Dankeschön.
Oh, hier, die habt ihr auch schon alle. Ja.
This is also my gift. Yay. I'm gonna pack it. What's that?
I don't know what is inside.
Aber mein.
Das hier ist meins, ne?
Merry Christmas. Douglas card?
Das hier?
Gift card?
Das kann ich auch machen.
Really? 100 euros. And of course, it comes with cosmetic samples, but I've already got this perfume, so I think I will give it to someone else. This is Tim's gift, also very beautifully packed. You wanna open it now? What's this? Tim!
Was ist das?
Mein Druidica.
Wow, isn't this the one you
Mein
want?
Druidica.
You said your colleagues get this and you want this
Yeah.
too. It's from your mom, I think, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Parents.
Tim, I told you you can get Lego for Christmas. What's this? What is this?
Wahrscheinlich.
Maybe. You wanna have a look?
Die will ich jetzt.
I also got a
Goodie bag.
similar to yours,
Yeah.
but
Wir müssen erstmal den Namen.
unfortunately, you're gonna hear this all day long.
Oh, my nightmare. What could it be?
Ihren Geburtstag dafür? Der Tag.
A brick.
Here's the sign. The number is the sign.
Two bricks.
Komplett.
2 bricks, yeah, of course. You're very smart. Oh, what's this? What is that? Isn't this the one you wanted to buy? The white one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the temperature series
I got a
from
fake one.
Popmart. Yeah, he got 3 fake ones. Yeah, and this is a new series. I'm not sure what it is called, but yeah, we can open it later.
Ooh, another one.
Another one.
Also from School Pounder.
Yeah, but you see, it's a Chinese style
Yeah.
series, and yeah, I'm very excited. These are all 3 new series we never had them before, so we
Yeah,
can open
super
it
nice.
later. Who gets the biggest gift? Must be a lucky boy.
Of course.
Okay, of course. Excited? Really beautifully packed as well. Oh, you got candies too here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And little
Is that from you, Charlotte?
Yes. Huh? What is inside?
Das ist der Heimknopf. Aber ich finde diesen Weihnachten.
Isn't this the one you wanted to get for a long time?
Das war jetzt
Yeah.
die klebten auf dem Karton.
Here goes the ship and everything. And I have watched the YouTube video. It's actually more than that. So here is actually have like a chamber
Yeah,
and
the
everything,
chamber
like different rooms from the Harry Potter. It's really cool. No.
Yeah.
Yes, here. It's really cool.
Wow.
Can't wait to build it with you. This is a gift for me as well from the Christmas market. I'm gonna use it later.
Habt ihr einen Promex? Warte mal, wann du willst. Die kannst du jetzt nicht.
So we're gonna open this one first. Card. Don't look at the card. Don't look at the card.
Märchen jetzt. Ja, so eine Puppe da. Das steht aber kein Puppen.
Wow! The one with the clock. Oh my god, this is cool. So we can actually twist it, and then when we do it, what happens? The eye changes. The coolest one we've gotten so far. Oh god, I love this so much. We're so lucky. I actually already got one of this in China. I think I have this one.
Hast du den eingekippt?
What is the next? I forgot. Wow! Is there anything else in the box? Oh! Little kitten! 2 little cats. With her together. This is the next one we're going to open, and as you can see, each of them is really, really cute, and I think I will be happy I get any.
Oh my god.
What is this one?
Super heavy.
What? This will be the final look of this character. So cool. This will be the last one we're gonna open it. It's actually matching what you're wearing today. And I'm also excited for this. This is all you can bought from here. Okay.
Das ist am Stern, ist Talk und
Wow. Isn't this on the cover, or is it different?
No, it's a different one.
It's a different one. Wow. This is so cool.
This one.
This is so
super
cool.
nice.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I think everything we opened today is just crazy. I love them. 现在已经快10点半了，刚刚快10点的时候，大家都回家了。我们晚上吃完晚餐就玩了一些卡牌游戏，然后我刚刚收拾了我们收到的所有的礼物，然后刚刚收拾了一下房间。这个是原本是在我们礼物上面的一个装饰，然后 Tim 的妈妈把它做成了一个小小的一个花园，然后现在放在我的房间。很漂亮，很喜欢。现在要写一下给外公外婆的一个圣诞贺卡，然后这个圣诞贺卡很漂亮，是我从中国带过来的。然后打开里面长这样，是一个立体的，这边有一个钢琴，然后有圣诞树，然后有麋鹿，很漂亮。现在要写一些祝福给外公外婆了。Hi, today is Christmas Day, it's 25th of December, and now, as you can see, it's getting dark outside. I've been working on my video for the whole afternoon, and it's 5 p.m. already, and we're gonna do a hot pot today. Tim is preparing all the ingredients, and let's go and see what he has prepared. So I have changed the sweater because one of our friends is coming and to join us as well. I think it's gonna smell like hot pot later, but currently it smells like my perfume. We got potato, rice cake, mushrooms and sausages here. Most importantly, our beef rolls. This man is going to be my house husband. For sure. He's so good at his work. How do you think about today?
I'm very excited for the food. What could be better than that?
Of course, hot pot is the best for winter, right?
Yes, absolutely.
We got this from Chinese supermarket 2 days ago, but it's already bad. This bean sprouts can go bad very fast. Our hot pot is ready. I've got gifts from Oma and Opa, and let's check out what's inside, shall we? So this is black tea. It's a special black tea. Here you can see it's like a stick that with sugar on it, so that you can stir the tea and add the sugar while you stirring it. I think it's a pretty good invention. There's a cup, and I also like it. It's pretty classic. And I've got Fat Santa. This is the cutest Santa I've ever got. Not sure what kind of candy this is. Not that soft actually. I think it's really special. But everything we get from Christmas is candy, 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 and chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. And a card. That's really nice from grandparents. Here's little stickers. It's penguin and a snowman. So cute. Now I'm drinking my goodnight milk, and I have added a little bit Baileys inside. Feels really nice. Gonna watch a movie, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.